At a writer's conference with a bookstore, my check-in bag still falls within the weight limit of the airlines. Is that successful or not? We'll see. Whenever I travel, I think about the movie Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. But they didn't say anything about boats, so I think we're safe. See you in Manchester. You know, in every good story, when the character might have a special ability, he has to run into certain limitations that keep him from using it all the time, so he can't take it for granted. Well, in addition to writing, I'm also a professional Santa. However, this time of year I'm traveling incognito, so my sleigh is back at the North Pole, which means I have to travel by more conventional means, such as planes and automobiles. And those conventional means are subject to various little limitations as well, such as when your plane is landing while you're waiting for boarding and it runs into a flock of birds, the engine can get damaged. It will get grounded. Your flight will get canceled. Now, if you're at a major airport, it's kind of easy. You got other major airlines that you can just hop over to another terminal or another gate and take off. When you're in a small regional airport, it's a little more challenging. We couldn't get any more flights out that day. In fact, we couldn't get any out today until 6 o'clock tonight. So we decided we'll check into a hotel. I found a hotel. I logged us in. We rented a car so that we could get from the airport to the hotel. From the airport to the hotel. Don't ask. But fortunately, there was a good thing that we did rent the car because, as you notice, the hotel does not have a restaurant. We were going to be hungry. Thank God we did get it. We were able to get around. It looks like we will be flying out of here, God willing, 6 o'clock. We change in Detroit. We fly to Boston. From Boston, I get to drive to Manchester where I left my car, because none of the flights were going to Manchester. From Manchester, we'll get there about 1 a.m., depending on traffic. And again, depending on traffic, I should be getting back to the North Pole around 4 a.m. I also have a full day of appointments and everything on Wednesday. This is going to give me a lot of material for stories. That's the plus side. So, have a good one, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, since I've got all this time on my hands, really kind of bumming me out that I'm not home yet. I think it's time for a little bit of retail therapy. Who knows, if I find a full dresser at the right price, I might not have to wait for the plane. Method acting, I'm doing method writing. I'm trying to get into character for a character in a future book. Because after all that I've been through, I have to sit here for another 4 hours before I can check in. And I'm just not going to be in a mood to deal with anybody today on this trip. So, how do you like to do it? don't like playing favorites, but my favorite airport is Detroit, followed immediately behind Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam. And one of the things I like about it is this particular tunnel connecting concourses A with B and C. The lights, the graphics, everything is really cool. Detroit is so awesome. Stuff is easy to find, lots of shops, lots of stores, lots of restaurants. It's easy to relax, especially when you're having a little bit of a difficult trip. See you later.